Lunchtime, you guys. Yum yum. So now we're about to devour our lunch.
Do y'all see this? I'm
carrying everything.
Carry everything and still open up the door. Real man.
That's his job.
What's up with y'all NX gang? I don't know why she looking at me like that. Hey, what is wrong with you?
We just devoured our food. We were so hungry we couldn't even show you guys.
Yeah, the food was real good. Like, you have Chinese eyes. Do you know that? No, I'm just saying you have Chinese eyes.
I have regular eyes.
You don't.
You have big eyeballs.
I don't. But look, what was the last prank we did?
Oh, the boob job.
The boob job. If y'all haven't seen that one, go ahead and see that. This girl crazy. I don't know what goes on in her head, you feel me?
You were in the background.
I do my talking with the, you feel me, with the gang on Instagram. You feel me? I be talking to them on there and Snapchat. They hit me up and I talk to them through there. They hear from me. Just because you don't hear from me, don't be mad. They hear from me.
Whatever, dude.
Yeah.
Whatever. Ooh, that food was good.
See, now I think something wrong with her. She ate. She acting like she forgot how to talk. She don't even want to talk no more. She's so full. But just before then, she was so mad, angry, yelling. Now look at her.
Calm.
Crazy what that food will do to you.
You're weird.
That wasn't even funny. Like, you crazy. But look, y'all check that out. You feel me? There go the X. Did I look like an X to y'all? Yeah, you know. There go the X. That's for the NX gang. You feel me? I don't know what she. I ain't put the N over here. I had to go with my last name.
Balls.
Don't play with me. No, play with me. Then you see, I got the MTG. Oh shit. I got the MTG shirt going on. I wish I could show y'all the back.
Why are you sniffling? Ew!
Oh man. I ain't know what that was. Give me that one. Man.
Like, you literally just spit on me.
No, man, I
like,
couldn't hold
you
that.
aimed right for me.
No, I didn't. Like, no, I really
didn't even
didn't.
try to cover your mouth.
What you mean? I tried to. That was a powerful
You did
one.
it straight.
Did you not hear like the earth in that one? Like, no, like that one really came out.
Oh my god.
If you, if my chest just swelled up, you feel me? That what made it come out. I was like, what the hell?
That is nasty.
What
You like did that on purpose, right on me.
I was already like this. So when I sneezed, I just, you feel me? And it got all up on you.
And now I have to go wash my entire body.
What you mean you gotta go wash it? I don't think it was that bad.
You just let it all out on me.
I don't think it was that bad though.
But it's okay. You're just lucky that I love you.
Yeah.
And I don't really care about your germs.
Look. It wasn't. I don't know what that was. Tell you the truth, but it wasn't like
nasty.
no. But it wasn't like no sneeze. That wasn't a real sneeze. I don't know what that was. Cause I really meant for it to be like a prank, but I don't know what that was. Like that was just. Man.
How was that a prank?
What? Me sneezing on you?
Yeah, so it's nasty. It's not a prank.
It is a little nasty.
It's very nasty.
But no, I don't know what that was. Like I don't know. That wasn't supposed to
But
happen.
if I ever have like a booger in my nose, you like flip out.
Don't talk about that. You make me throw up.
No.
Don't talk about that.
But you just spit on me. But if I ever
I
have
didn't
a booger
spit
in
on
my
you.
nose, if I have a booger in my nose, you'll flip out and get so grossed out.
That's nasty.
But you just literally sat here and spit on me.
I ain't spit on her, y'all.
You did.
Like, she gonna lie to y'all. I don't even think I spit on you. Like, I don't know what that was. Tell you the truth. On a better note, how y'all think I cut my hair today? Y'all think it's pretty good?
I think you did a good job.
Yeah. Hey, I don't want y'all to think like, man, that dude was disrespectful. No, I don't just spit on people. You feel me? I don't do that. I don't know what that was. I gotta go watch the video and see what. I don't even think I spit on her. That was probably like a cough, sneeze, something. I think I coughed more than I even sneezed.
That's probably why you wanted to do the prank, just so you could spit on me.
See, I'm not gonna even say nothing.
Why?
There's so much I could say, but I'm not gonna say nothing. I guess the prank failed.
Oh, it didn't fail because you spit on me.
I didn't spit on you.
You did what you wanted to do.
See, look, we'll be here arguing about that for days. But I'm not about to even argue with you. I know I ain't spit on you.
We'll see you guys in our next video, and still continue to send us some suggestions on pranks. You can never have enough. Make sure you follow us on our Snapchats, Instagrams, all of that.
This video, you feel me? You subscribe to us, you turn them notifications on, and you keep up with what we got next for you guys.
Yes, come on.
No, no, you know it's all gang, X gang, no N gang. You feel me? It's the X gang over here. We in here. Let's get it.
You're such an ass.